Meet Armsx2, the new PS2 emulator for Android, fast and lightweight. Step 1. Download the official APK from the developer's site or trusted store. Enable install from unknown sources, then tap Install to add Armsx2. Next, import your legally dumped PS2 BIOS file into the BIOS folder. Load an ISO or game folder from your storage. Keep files on internal memory for speed. Open a game and grant storage and controller permissions on first run. Performance tip 1. Set renderer to Vulkan or OpenGLES depending on your device. Lower internal resolution to 1x or 1.5x for smoother FPS on mid-range phones. Enable multi-threaded CPU and FrameSkip 2 for heavy scenes. Balance visual quality. Use a Bluetooth controller mapping and enable touch overlays only when needed. Compatibility note: most titles run well, but some require game-specific patches or tweaks. Save states, keep backups, and check the compatibility list. Enjoy PS2 games on Android.